Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on the Tango app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Tango application on your device. And once it is opened up, if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed with your phone number and the verification code or use your Google account to log in. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the home page, from which you can explore through various different accounts with which you can chat with. Now, if you wish to change your password, then you can tap on the account icon at the top right corner to end up into your account page. Now from here, tap on account, and now you will see that there are two different methods to log into your account. One of them is your Google account and the other is your phone number. However, there is no option to change or create your password. When you sign up for your account, you are not asked to set up your password at all, and you will simply be able to log in using your phone number and the verification code. If you don't wish to use your phone number to log into your account and enter the verification code every time, then you can just tap on the Google account option underneath login methods and connect your Google account with your Tango account. But apart from that, there is no feature to set up or change your password, which means you will never need to set up a password within your account at all. And there you have it. That is all there is to know about changing your password on the Tango app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.